Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to comment on a dashboard in Bold BI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to collaborate with your stakeholders more easily, improving decision-making based on the presented data. Let's dive in to see how to comment on a dashboard. On the Dashboard Server listing page, select the dashboard to comment on. I choose the School Performance Dashboard and click to open it. Before adding a comment, we need to ensure the Enable Comment option is selected. Currently, it is disabled. I click the Edit icon. In the Design page, I click the Properties icon. I navigate to the Enable Comment option and select it. Now I can comment on the dashboard. Then I click Publish and click Yes to open the dashboard from the dialog box. You can see the comment icon is available for the dashboard. I click the icon and add a comment with a tag. Then I click Post. The comment is passed directly to the person tagged in the comment. They will receive an in-app notification, an email notification, or both, depending on which notification types are active. This enhances accountability and transparency in the process of analyzing visualized data. You can comment in Bold BI dashboards as needed. In this tutorial, I've shown you how to add a comment to a dashboard in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. While you're there, start a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you want a demo from an expert, select Request Demo to schedule a call. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.